it's SheRea. What's up? As you can see from the title, today we are finally trying Olaplex on my type 4 hair. So yes, the girls have been using Olaplex for years. The girls have sang the praises of Olaplex for years, but per usual, sis is late. I'm finally getting on the Olaplex train. There's no reason in particular why I haven't used Olaplex. It is $30 for 3 ounces.
So it took me a while to gather my mind
around spending $30 for 3 ounces. I'm no stranger to spending coins on hair products, but I usually at least get 8 ounces. But 3 ounces, sis, it took me a minute. You're supposed to apply it on damp hair, dryish hair, like a pre-poo. I'm no stranger to pre-pooing. I sing the praises of pre-pooing on my channel. I have a dedicated video on pre-pooing. If you haven't seen that video, you can definitely check it out. I have 2 Olaplex products here today. I have the Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. They're number 0. It's too bright. It's a waste of time. But I also have what is people's Tried and True. Did I say that right? Tried and True, which is the number 3, which is supposed to repair and strengthen all hair types. This is supposed to fix your credit. This is supposed to give you a husband that loves you. This is supposed to snatch your waistline. It's supposed to do all the things. In addition to repairing damaged hair, what you're supposed to do is apply this first, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then go in with the number 3 and leave it on for another 10 minutes or however long you want to leave it on. Basically, I want to see whether this makes a difference or if it's just some type of marketing, capitalistic type of thing. Y'all know how I do. I keep it real. We're just going to clip the hair up, and everything that I'm using per usual will be linked down below in the description box. I got mine for Sephora, and I recommend that you do that if you're interested in Olaplex, because there's a lot of dupes and fakes out there, and I don't want that for you. Let's see how it comes out. I've seen videos where it kind of like comes out like a baby stream. I don't know if you can see it. Like, very little comes out, I guess, so you don't use a lot. For people like me, you're not supposed to saturate your hair in it, which you know is not like me, because sis likes her hair to be saturated. Okay. Woo, child. I'm gonna put on a little bit more. I don't know how much to put on. Okay. A little goes a long way though. I never thought I would say that. I guess I'm on the ends. I feel like I don't need a lot. I should make it clear that Olaplex is not a protein treatment. It's not marketed as a protein treatment. It's not designed to be a protein treatment. What it is a bond builder. Even though there are products on the market that claim to be similar, claim to be able to do the same things, there's actually nothing like it. It's a patented technology that doesn't exist anywhere. Like literally you can't. So what they use is a molecule, a single molecule. I'll put the name in the video because I ain't trying to butcher it and sound real ignorant or illiterate. But it's this patented technology that only Olaplex uses to bind to the bonds in our hair to rebuild the hair. When we color our hair, when we relax our hair, when we use heat and excessive heat on our hair, it basically breaks the disulfide bonds in the hair, creating damage. So unlike mayo and eggs, yes, all the shade, what Olaplex does is that it goes into the hair structure and actually repairs the hair from the inside out, rebuilding those bonds that are broken within the hair strand. Make sense? We good? We good? Okay. The number 0 is the highest form that Olaplex offers of that single molecule, of that patented technology. It's high as hell in that product to give you the real boost, the bang for your money, but it's supposed to be used in combination with the number 3. But if you want something that's really rich and full of that patented technology that will rebuild the hair, you need to get the number 0. So that's why we're going in with this product first. I only use about this much, and it was filled to the brim, so I only use like a little bit. Like that is nothing for me. Hey Siri, put on a timer for 10 minutes. Now let's go in with the number 3. You're supposed to apply it on towel dry damp hair, but I prefer to apply products on dry hair. I am gonna use a bit more product, but I'm okay with that. If I do feel like I need water, I will go and get some, but that's not my preference. So this is what it looks like. It's like a cream, a typical cream, nothing Nothing special. I do like how it applies though. It doesn't apply rough or like drying feeling. It actually feels like a conditioner. I just apply a little bit more. So they do recommend applying this once a week or 2 to 3 times a week if your hair is severely damaged. I wish I used this when my hair was heat damaged, but when my hair was heat damaged, I was broke and there was no way in hell I was buying a $30 product back in college. Back then, I heard about Olaplex, but I couldn't do it. Just applying it, taking my time, and I'm applying it just like I would any other conditioner, pressing it in and smoothing it in. I also feel like I don't need to apply a lot. It's really gliding through my hair really well. Ooh, feels so good, y'all. Feels so good. According to Olaplex, this is the product that made Olaplex famous. Our global bestseller is an at-home treatment, not a conditioner, that reduces breakage and visibly strengthens hair, improving its look and feel. It will restore your hair's healthy appearance and texture by repairing damage and protecting hair structure. The Olaplex No. 3 is the only patented system to noticeably repair extreme damage and turn dry, brittle hair into soft, shiny, and more resilient hair. And that's always the goal, okay? So I'm done applying the No. 3, and y'all, it feels so good on my hair. I was able to get it all over my head, but I did use quite a bit of it. But bear in mind, I am applying this on dry hair. If you wanted to stretch and get a little more for your bucks, you gotta apply it with some water, but that is just not my preference. I know it makes people cringe, but I've been doing this for a long time, and I know what works for me. So I did use about half of it, which is not bad for a 3-ounce product, even on dry hair. So imagine how it flows on damp hair. And boom, there's my timer. Now let's go in on this side. I probably should have put on a plastic cap on this side, but honestly I forgot. And then we're just gonna apply the No. 3 right on top, like Olaplex suggests. I definitely feel the strength more on this side. It doesn't feel like an Apogee or like a hard protein that goes on feeling hard, but I can feel that this is going to offer a bit more strength. So I'm done applying the No. 3 on this side. Well, this side is getting stronger too, but I still feel like this side is a bit stronger feeling. I made it to work. I do have some more, so we're just gonna turn this over like this for the next use. Honestly, upon application, I'm not noticing a huge difference between the 0 and 3 combo and the 3 by itself combo. My hair pretty much looks the same. Since this has been sitting on my hair for like well over 10 minutes already, instead of doing my normal 30 minutes to 45 minutes under my hooded dryer, I'm just going to do 20 minutes, not trying to do too much this go around. Then we're gonna rinse it out in the shower. So the next time you see me, we're gonna be in the shower. Let's go. The side with just the No. 3 was super duper duper soft, like extremely soft, soft and smooth in a way that I haven't felt my hair feel like. It was really incredible, almost siliconing. While the No. 3 and the No. 0 side felt soft as well, but it had a bit more strength to it. I will say that I do think that the No. 0 and the No. 3 side had maybe like a tad bit more definition, and you can see it more in my back sections where my hair is naturally looser, but you couldn't really see the difference in my other frizzier sections. I won't say it did anything amazing to pop my curls. It didn't give me any definition that I don't normally have. My hair is naturally frizzy. But what I can say is that I did lose less hair in the shower. I didn't have as much shedding or breakage like I normally do, so I was really impressed with that. But I was more so really impressed by the softness. The softness was truly out of this world. Do I think you need the No. 0? Maybe if you're a type of person that doesn't typically use protein on your hair, maybe you're somewhat protein sensitive or you have damaged hair, I can definitely see the benefits in using both. But for me, I personally don't need the number 0 because I do protein treatments on my hair very often. I have a constant regimen of using protein and strengthening treatments mixed with Ayurveda. So the number 0 isn't necessary for me and my household. So I don't see me repurchasing the number 0. The number 3 is a yes for me, y'all. The number 3 is amazing. I really did enjoy it, and it will be a product that I continue to use in my regimen. I know you guys want me to compare it to other products on the market, but this is a product in a league of its own. This is an amazing product. Love it. I'm obsessed with it. Definitely will repurchase it. It's not something that I'm going to use once a week because, sis, it is 30 American dollars. But it is something that I can see myself using once a month or maybe once every 6 weeks, once every 8 weeks. Definitely will use it again. So glad I bought 2. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.